What's going on, beautiful people? Just wanted to kind of give you a little vlog today. Just feeling vlogsy. What are we doing? We got some arbitrage back here. I want to do how to have a productive day. We got like $370 worth of stuff right there. Found it in under an hour. Probably took me an hour to unbox it and then print the labels and package it. We're gonna do how to have a productive day. Let's start by just like shaving, right? Yep, shaved. I showered. Just address your personal needs first. Have some water. I mean, obviously wake up at a reasonable time, right? So don't wake up at noon. Go to bed 10, 11 o'clock. Wake up at 8 a.m., 9 a.m. I'm kind of a hypocrite because I like to sleep in, but my hours that I'm awake are extremely productive. So I don't even think about it anymore. It's not like, how should I be productive today? It's just like, I am so productive consistently every single day that's just how I live now. So I always address my personal needs, like I said. Clean yourself up. Don't look at your phone. Don't just go for your phone, start replying to emails and comments. It's like a bad habit. So get up, get dressed. If you have any chores that you need to do around your house, take out the garbage, do laundry, shit that you're not going to want to do later in the day once you're, doing other stuff. So just get that addressed right away. If you got some dishes to do, whatever, bang those out. And then the next thing I do is do anything that you didn't finish the day before. So I used to actually physically write down my goals just to kind of get me on track. Not goals long term, but every day. What do I want to accomplish today? And just small little things that I can do today. I just do this mentally now because it's just one extra step that I have to do is write something down, and I don't need to do that if I could just think of it. But at first it's probably good to write it. Anyway, say I didn't get I didn't get the shipment out on time. So I wanted to ship this stuff out last night, but I actually didn't do that. So that's the first thing I do today. So I knocked all these out, and now this, if you could imagine on a chart, make an arrow over to the next day. And then that's the first task for the next day, so that nothing gets left behind and that you don't end up with all these stacking things that you haven't done. We're gonna go drop these off. I feel like I've been talking for a while now. And outside and it's so warm in here. I don't want to get out. Gotta do it. Yeah, let's get this stuff. That was pretty cool. So that guy was super interested in what I was doing. Well, not really, but I just talked to everyone, so everyone eventually ends up talking to me because I forced my way into a conversation. Tip for you guys, just to be a good person in general, whenever you talk to a cashier or someone, because I used to work jobs like that, try and just not be so robotic. If that makes sense. Don't just be hey, how's it going? And then I need you to do this for me. And then, because it's a human on the other side of that. So they're having a good day or a bad day. And if you're just hey, how's it going? How's your day going? You got any plans for after work? How's your shift going? Just try and have an actual human interaction. And it's just great for both of you guys because you can never have too many good encounters. So the next thing we're gonna do is I need some bananas. Picking up some food. You gotta eat healthy, man. It's the one thing that I think has really contributed to my success other than just my personal mindset. Just how I feel. I just feel so amazing every single day. And whatever. I'm the vlogger in the store right now and everyone's looking at me weird. It's all good. But yeah, you gotta eat good, I went plant-based completely. I don't eat any meat, any dairy. entire year ago, and I've just never felt this good in my entire life. So when you're eating a ton of micronutrients, like all these good, colorful foods, it just makes you feel so good. Let's hop into the Lambo here. You know me. Alright. You see me? Yep. I've arrived back home, and I think part of being productive is to upload this video nice and early for you guys. And I want you guys to complete your own tasks. So now I have to go on to film a Amazon FBA related video. I have to edit that video, I have to post it, I have to do something for my guitar channel, keep active on my Instagram, so I have plenty of stuff to do. As I come into my house here, I'll be greeted by a husky. Hi. Alright, see you guys later.